From this video, you will learn how to make sentences for the given word touch. Touched, the word touch can be used as a noun or verb. So as a noun, you can say his touch was gentle and smoothing. You can change this subject. My mother touch is gentle and soothing, or my mother's touch was gentle and soothing. Or you can say my father's touch was gentle or soothing. As a verb, you can say please don't touch that thing. Here touch is used as a verb. Okay. Let's take another example. As noun, the painting had a soft touch of colors. As a verb, she reached out to touch the butterfly on the flower. Here is the third example. As noun, the book had a personal touch, making it special. As verb, I couldn't resist touching the soft fur of the kitten. Here are another examples. As noun, the artist added a finishing touch to the masterpiece. Verb, be careful not to touch the hot stove. Okay, so here is the another example. As noun, the sun's warm touch makes me happy. This is an easy example, right? His friendly touch brightens my day. Here, touch is noun. Here are the example where the word touch is used as a verb. I touch the soft petals of a flower. She touches the keys to play a beautiful melody. He often touches the painting to feel its structure.